With everything in our locomotive back together, it's appropriate to run a quick test under power. And rather than set up a track, here's a quick way you can test one of these locomotives on the tabletop. I have my transformer turned on and a couple of clip leads. So I'm going to put one clip lead adjacent to the pickup roller on the bottom. That simulates being on the track. I'm going to set the back of the locomotive up onto this little pin vise here that'll keep it stabilized. And the other side of my transformer, I'm going to put on one of the front flag posts. And I can see the headlight here that's working, forward and reverse. And I can see a red glow from my firebox light. And now, if I move my chugger switch, everything seems to be in order. So at this point we're going to just put it back in the cabinet, and at some point in the not too distant future put it on the track. But it sounds great.